Hey, it's Joe with KB Muscle, and today we're going to talk on kettlebell basics, the difference between a push press and a kettlebell jerk. A lot of times a kettlebell jerk is a very technical exercise. Start with the push press. Now we'll start right here. So the push press, we're going to give a drive from the legs and extend all the way. Okay, right there. So we're not coming up, you don't want to come up off the heels too much. And that's about it. So a push press is basically pushing through the lower body into starting the weight, pushing it all the way up. Then you can lower it back down. Now, for a jerk, what we're going to do is the push press, we're going to start it, and as the bell starts its flight upwards, we're going to drop underneath it, okay? So the heels come up on this jerk, they come up, then we go under. So you're doing a little quarter squat action as the bell's going up. So launch, stand up. So it's dip, drive, drop, stand. Do one push press here, push press, jerk. You can be really smooth or really heavy weight, you can get under it far. Okay? So with double bells, it's the same thing. Push press, jerk. Hope that helps on kettlebell basics.